Bullish ALGO value forecast is 28 cents to $1.41. Algorand cost could likewise reach $3 soon. Bearish ALGO cost expectation for 2022 is 25 cents. In Algorand cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ALGO to break down the future development of the digital currency. Algorand current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of Algorand is 24 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $133,423,379 at the hour of composing. Besides, Algorand has a coursing supply of 7,110,760,297 ALGO. At present, Algorand exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Upbit, OKX, and FTX. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital money of the Algorand biological system. Algorand is an open-source decentralized blockchain in light of shrewd agreements. ALGO was sent off in 2019 following its mainnet send-off. Like Ethereum, Algorand possesses its local Algorand virtual machine. Algo brilliant agreements empower clients to create different dApps on the blockchain. Algorand works in light of the unadulterated confirmation of stake agreement system joined with Byzantine Understanding Convention. PPOS was acquainted with the blockchain space by Algorand's pioneer Silvio Macaulay. The blockchain follows algorithmic haphazardness to choose its validators and verifiers and accordingly legitimizing its name Algorand. Clients get to partake in the administration of the blockchain either simply by holding ALGO or marking it. ALGO holders get almost 7.5% APY as recurring automated revenue on holding these tokens. It works with quick, effective, and maintainable exchanges at lower costs. Algorand helps to determine the blockchain trilemma: decentralization, security, and adaptability. Algorand value expectation 2022. Algorand stands firm on the 30th footing on CoinGecko at the present time. ALGO cost forecast 2022 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. The above diagram of ALGO laid the even channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern, to show how the cost is obliged between the upper line of opposition and lower line of help. Level channels are pattern lines that join inconsistent value ups and downs. As of now, Algorand is in the scope of 24 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of ALGO could arrive at the obstruction levels of 44 cents. On the off chance that the pattern inverts, the cost of ALGO might tumble to 25 cents. Algorand backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. From the above everyday time span, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Algorand. Resistance level 145 cents. Resistance level 276 cents. Resistance level 3 $1.41. Support level 27 cents. The outlines show that Algorand has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, ALGO could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $1.41. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Algorand could dive to nearly 27 cents, a negative sign. Algorand value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Algorand is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of ALGO lies beneath the end line, demonstrating more fragile members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Algorand is displayed in the diagram above. White, Algorand cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Presently, ALGO has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ALGO whenever. In the interim, the general strength list of the ALGO is 39.45. This implies that Algorand is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of ALGO might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Algorand value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Algorand. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Algorand. As of now, the ADX of ALGO lies in the scope of 24.34, and in this way, it shows a feeble pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the general instability record of Algorand. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of ALGO lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Algorand is at 39.45, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of a LGO with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Algorand. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the cost activities ALGO is unlike BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of a LGO diminishes. Also, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of a LGO increments. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Algorand could likely accomplish $5 by 2023. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Algorand could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ALGO could mobilize to hit $7 by 2024. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ALGO would revitalize to hit $9. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ALGO would revitalize to hit $11. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. If Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ALGO would energize to hit $13. Algorand Value Forecast 2028. If Algorand holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, ALGO would hit $15 in 2028. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Algorand, it would observe significant spikes. ALGO could hit $17 by 2029. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Algorand environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ALGO for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Thus, Algorand could hit $19 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Algorand organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for LGO. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Algorand in 2022 is $1.41. Then again, the negative value expectation of Algorand cost forecast for 2022 is 25 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Algorand environment, the exhibition of a LGO would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.56 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $3 assuming the financial backers accept that a LGO is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital currency of Algorand, an open-source decentralized blockchain. Algorand works in light of the unadulterated confirmation of stake agreement. 2. Where might you at any point